Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the swerve stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and half double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet V-stitch into the third chain from your hook. So that's going to be 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 half double crochet into the same chain. Now we're going to start our sequence, skip 2 chains, and then make a half double crochet V into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make a half double crochet V into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make a half double crochet V into the next chain. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains and making a half double crochet V-stitch into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you have 1 chain left, work 1 half double crochet by itself into that chain to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Into the next half double crochet V space, make 2 single crochet into that chain space. Into this stitch between V stitches, make a single crochet. And now we're going to start repeating from here. 2 single crochet into the next half double crochet V stitch space. 1 single crochet between stitches. 2 single crochet into the half double crochet V-stitch chain space, 1 single crochet between stitches, 2 single crochet into the half double crochet V-stitch space, 1 single crochet between stitches, 2 single crochet into the half double crochet V-stitch, 1 single crochet between stitches, 2 single crochet into the next V-stitch, 1 single crochet into the stitch between stitches, 2 single crochet into the last V-stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the last stitch of this row to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1 where we established our half double crochet V-stitches. So this is going to be similar. Instead of working into chains, we're just working into stitches for this row. Skip the first stitch. Into this next one, make a half double crochet V-stitch. So half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Now we're ready to start our sequence. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Skip 2 stitches in the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, half double crochet V-stitch. When you get to the end of your row and you have 2 stitches left, skip 1 into this last stitch, make 1 half double crochet by itself. It's going to match the beginning of this row to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the swerve stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.